Hello, I'm Sean Lamp with Danfoss Drives North American Service Department. Today I'm going to go over how to analyze the data captured by NXS and NXP drives when they have a fault.
Please take a moment now to read the safety warnings shown here. Failure to follow these warnings could result in death or serious injury.
I am currently connected to my demo drive here, so I am online to get the service files, and there is a different video and stuff on how to get service files and how to manipulate some of the data inside of these programs here. So I'm not going to go over that. I'm just going to pull up a service file so I can show what information we get out of a service file. So on the service file on the top here, this printed data, it tells you it's the computer time of when we printed this file. So you can see this is exactly when I just pulled this up, so it comes off of my computer time. The serial number of the drive, this is the complete unit serial number. Device of the drive, what type of device is it, that this is an NXP drive. The system software that's in there, the firmware interface, the application, and was the parameter file saved to the control unit. The parameters, this is a list of all the parameters in the drive. When you're online, it should give you a minimum and maximum of what the parameters are available for. Depending upon what you got checked, it'll show your Modbus ID number, the unit it's in, the value, the text, and then the index number of what the parameter is. This is multi-purpose, so there's a lot of parameters inside that drive. Then in your drive info section, it gives you like all the drive info. So it gives again the VCN name, system software, firmware interface, power unit status. It says shows that I'm connected, which means that the power unit is powered up and I'm talking to it. The drive serial number. Now this power unit number, this one can be important to us when troubleshooting, because this does give us somewhat the sizing information of the drive, assuming that somebody did their due diligence and put the right part number in there. But it tells us that this drive here is a PA, which means it is an air-cooled drive. 0004, I said these 4 digits here give us the VT current rating of the drive, so that means this is a 4 amp drive. Then the next digit, the 2, means it's a 230 volt drive, a 5, it's a 500 volt drive, and a 6 would be a 690 volt drive. Then you got serial numbers and everything going down here of all the different components in the drive, the control unit serial number, the dates, all that stuff that goes with the power unit. And this can tell you how old the drive is. You can see this one, the power card is back from, you see there's different date formats in here, but that's just a matter of who wrote the data to the drive. That you do have a couple different date formats, that this is in kind of North American style of doing it, but generally most drives are going to have this style of date code in it, where it's the first 2 digits are the day, the next 2 digits are the month, and the last 4 digits are the year. The applications, this is all the applications that are loaded to the drive, and the one with the asterisk on it is the application that we're currently using. Then the I/O expanders, there are 5 slots in the NX series drive, and on this one you can see we got cards installed in 2 of them. That I got an OPT A9 card in slot A and an OPT A2 card in slot B. The counters, your megawatt hour counter, this is the complete hour counter of the drive, or I should say megawatt hour counter of the drive. That you can see it's a demo, so I don't have a lot of power that went through it. Only 0.46 kilowatt hours. The operational day counter. This will list years and days. If we're up to years, I said that would list as, let's say it's 3 years, it'd be like 3A 28D. Then your operational hour counters, which is hours, minutes, seconds. Then we get into the fault history. This drive has 30 fault histories. And once it reads 30 of them, then the newest one will come in and it'll kick the oldest one out. So it will continuously record that data, that it won't stop at 30, that it will continue to put in the newer faults and kick the older ones out. So you do get the fault code, then what the actual fault is, that this one's a device remove fault, that I removed the circuit board. The counters of when it happened. So this happened at 28 days, 19 hours, 7 minutes, and 5 seconds. Then it lists the output frequency of the drive, the motor current that the drive was running, the motor voltage, motor power, motor torque, whether the drive was ready or not, running or not, what direction it was going in, whether it was faulted or not, whether it was in warning or not, at reference or not, zero speed or not. Then the DC bus of the drive, unit temperature of the drive, and then the subcodes. And these subcodes can be very important for us troubleshooting because it kind of leads us in a direction as to where we need to go. Sometimes they're not so important, but a lot of times they're very important to us, that it does lead us in a direction.
Thank you for viewing. We hope this information has been helpful. Danfoss Drives can provide additional technical support, parts information or repair services options by contacting us through one of the following methods. For immediate access to customer service or a technical support expert in North America, call 1-888-DANFOSS, or 1-888-326-3677, or contact us by using one of the listed email addresses. Additional information is also available on our website at www.danfossdrives.com. For contact information in areas outside of North America, please visit our global website at www.danfoss.com.